Welcome to the demonstration of our final project. We present an innovative solution that combines artificial intelligence and big data to monitor air quality and vehicle traffic.
We start with our predictive chatbot that uses artificial intelligence models to answer questions about temperature factors. We continue with the integration of OpenStreetMap to visualize pollution prediction by geography in an interactive way. We also implemented a YOLO-based object detector to analyze traffic images in real time.
Finally, we created interactive dashboards with Power BI to visualize trends and detailed analysis of pollution factors. In summary, our project combines techniques to provide a comprehensive solution for monitoring and predicting air quality. With this intention, we aim to improve the pollution situation in Valencia. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoyed this demonstration.